The feeling of being missed is one of the most powerful emotional responses in relationships. An understanding when a woman starts missing, you can give valuable insights into human connection and attachment. When a woman begins to realize your absence, certain emotional triggers can make her reflect deeply on your role in her life. These moments often arise from a combination of personal struggles, social circumstances, and emotional voids that amplify the longing for your presence below. We will explore in depth when and why women start missing you the most, diving into the specific situations and emotional triggers that lead to this intense yearning. She feels invisible. One of the most significant emotional triggers for missing someone occurs when a woman feels invisible or underappreciated in relationships. People often seek validation, recognition, and a sense of belonging. If she once felt seen, valued, and understood by you, and then suddenly finds herself in situations where she feels invisible, it becomes a stark contrast. Feeling invisible in social situations, at work, or even among friends, can remind her of the times you made her feel special and seen. Perhaps you were someone who consistently paid attention to her needs, understood her deeper emotions, and acknowledged her presence in ways that others do not when that is gone, and she experiences being overlooked or disregarded. It's natural for her to reflect on the attention and recognition you provided. This emotional void amplifies her longing for you. Missing your ability to see her for who she truly is often leaves her craving that connection again, particularly when others fail to meet that emotional standard in relationships. Many women find that being truly understood is rare. If you were someone who took the time to understand her, to appreciate her nuances, and make her feel validated in a world where she often feels invisible, then your absence becomes even more glaring. When she feels invisible around others, she will start to miss how present you were in her life. 2. She faces disruptions in her daily routines. Routines are a source of comfort and security for many people. When these routines are disrupted, especially after a breakup or a significant change, it creates a space for reflection and nostalgia. A woman will begin to miss you when she encounters disruptions in her life that make her realize how much stability and support you brought to her daily routine. Maybe you were the person she shared coffee with every morning, the one she could text or call during her lunch break, or someone who helped her manage her life when things became overwhelming without you. These seemingly small moments of routine may feel incomplete or chaotic. The absence of that steady companionship can create emotional discomfort, leading her to miss the predictability and comfort your presence provided. This is particularly true during times of upheaval, such as changes at work, health challenges, or personal stress. When life becomes unstable, she will likely reflect on the stability you provided, even if it was just emotional support or someone to lean on. Disruptions to her routine will remind her of the times you were there to offer a sense of security, making her miss you more profoundly as she navigates life's uncertainties without you by her side. 3. She feels the sting of loneliness. Loneliness is one of the most powerful emotional catalysts for missing someone. When a woman feels lonely, her mind often gravitates toward people who made her feel less isolated. The emotional sting of loneliness intensifies when she realizes that the emotional connection you provided is no longer present in her life. Loneliness can come in many forms: physical, emotional, and social. She might feel physically alone in her living space, where the absence of your presence is painfully clear. Or she might feel emotionally isolated, realizing that no one else understands her in the same way you did socially. She might find that her circle of friends or acquaintances doesn't provide the same level of comfort and companionship that you once did. When loneliness strikes, she may begin to long for the times you spent together, whether it was doing something as simple as watching a movie or having deep conversations late at night. The n-ness that comes with being alone often triggers feelings of nostalgia, and the mind naturally goes back to the person who once filled that void. Your absence during moments of loneliness can be particularly potent, causing her to miss you deeply and wish for your return, for she measures others by your standards. Comparison is an inevitable part of human relationships after you're no longer in her life. A woman may begin to measure others by the standards you set, whether consciously or subconsciously. If you provided emotional support, intellectual stimulation, or even shared specific experiences that left a strong impression, she might find it difficult to connect with others who don't meet the same expectations. This comparison can manifest in various ways. For instance, she might start dating again and notice that her new partner doesn't listen as attentively as you did, doesn't share the same sense of humor, or isn't as supportive during tough times. Even in friendships or casual social interactions, she might find herself longing for the depth or connection she had with you when she starts to compare others to you. It often leads to feelings of dissatisfaction with her current relationships. No one seems to measure up, which creates a sense of loss and longing for what she had with you. This realization that you set a standard others cannot meet makes her miss you more intensely, as she starts to wonder if she made a mistake in letting you go, or if she'll ever find someone who matches your unique qualities. She struggles emotionally during times of emotional difficulty or vulnerability. People often reflect on those who provided comfort and understanding. If you were her emotional rock, or someone who helped her through tough times, she'll likely miss that emotional support when she struggles without it. She finds out about your success. Seeing someone she was close to succeed or progress in life can stir emotions of regret or nostalgia. It can make her wonder if she made a mistake letting you go, especially if she starts to realize the potential she overlooked. She navigates social events alone, attending social events without. You can be a strong trigger if you were her. Go to companion, navigating these events alone can leave her feeling out of place, which heightens the sense of missing you and the fun or comfort you had to share together. Observing happy couples when she sees other couples in happy and fulfilling relationships, it can serve as a reminder of what she had with you or what she lost. This comparison can amplify feelings of loss and longing, especially if she feels that her current experiences don't measure up to the happiness she had with you. These moments typically involve emotional challenges, moments of reflection, or encounters that force her to confront your absence directly. They heighten her awareness of what she once had, often making her miss you the most during these pivotal moments.